Hey there, this is Christina with WTI, and I wanted to share with you the KN95 masks that we have been using from Wanwane. Now this was a 50 pack, and I have to tell you that these KN95s are really reasonably priced for 50. They still do have bacterial filtration, 5 layers of protection, but they're also very comfortable. They don't make me feel like I'm suffocating. So let me just show you how they go on. They do have the little metal piece here that goes over your nose. The ear pieces here are really nice and stretchy and comfortable to wear. You go ahead and fit that piece right here on your nose. It fits very nice and comfortably. You can see there's no gapping. It gives my mouth and my nose room to breathe, but it has really good protection all around. If you're looking for a superior mask that's going to give you the protection you need, but still be comfortable and affordable, I definitely would recommend these, and that is my point of view.